Today I'm making one of my daughter's favorite breakfasts. This one really brings me back to childhood. French toast sticks. I start by cutting the crust off 4 slices of sourdough, then slice the bread into sticks. I save the crust to make breadcrumbs or a French toast bake later in the week. Next, I whisk eggs with milk, vanilla, salt, and cinnamon until it's nice and airy, and I add a sprinkle of orange zest. This really brightens up the French toast and pairs perfectly with the dip I'm going to make. I quickly coat the bread in the egg mixture on both sides for just a few seconds to avoid soggy French toast. Over medium heat, I generously butter a grill or pan and cook the French toast sticks for a couple minutes on each side. While these are cooking, I quickly make a cinnamon sugar coating by mixing together monk fruit sweetener and cinnamon. You can just use sugar, but this is a sugar-free option that still tastes great. Once the sticks are golden brown, I immediately coat them in the cinnamon sugar while they're warm. Adding these to a plate, and for dipping, I'm making an orange honey butter dip. This is so easy to make. I mix together melted butter and honey, then add a splash of orange juice and mix until you have this creamy, delicious dip. You can also make this dip with maple syrup instead of honey if you prefer. Finishing this breakfast with raspberries, the rest of the orange I used for zest and juice earlier, and sliced strawberries. These French toast sticks make a delicious weekend brunch or meal prep breakfast any day of the week.